Hello everyone. In this video, we will continue to discuss about Petromyzone. In the first slide, we will discuss about habits of Petromyzone. As we all know that Petromyzone is a sea lamprey and the sea lampreys are all carnivorous. Petromyzone marinus is an ectoparasitic on fishes. It attaches itself by means of its circular mouth because its circular mouth has a cup-like buccal funnel which helps in the attachment of the Petromyzone with the host, that is a fish. The mouth operates as a sucker or vacuum cup. While attached to the prey, it rasps or shreds the flesh of the prey with its tongue apparatus and horny teeth on the buccal funnel. Then, life cycle of the Petromyzone. Lampreys usually live in sea and migrate to the rivers for the purpose of spawning. In the river, the lampreys do not eat anything but live on the accumulated subcutaneous fat that provides the nourishment. They migrate to river usually in autumn, while the sexual maturity attained in winter, but the breeding occurs in spring. A Petromyzone marinus migrates to upstream for the purpose of spawning. The fertilization is external and after spawning, the adults usually die. Then, in this slide, we will discuss about the economic importance of Petromyzone. Petromyzone may be beneficial or harmful. First, we will discuss about the benefits of sea lamprey. Sea lampreys' most common predator are humans. Sea lampreys are also trapped in Europe, Asia, and India to be consumed and are even considered as delicacy. Means the benefit of sea lamprey is that they are consumed as food by humans in different continents. Then the negative role of sea lamprey in ecosystem is that parasitic sea lampreys have a detrimental effect on fish within their ecosystem. Specifically, sea lampreys feed on salmon, trout, and some catfishes. Fish population as well as those industries that depend on fish are declining. Sea lampreys in the Great Lakes region are killed for preservation of native fish. So, it is essential to control the sea lampreys for the protection of fish population. So it is beneficial as a food, but it is harmful also because it is detrimental for fish population of the ecosystem. So that's all about the Petromyzone. Thank you very much.